Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Monday, May 11th, and our story today is called Zink, the Zebra. Once upon a time, a zebra named Zink lived in the Liptus jungle with his mother, her father, and her brother, Fink. Zink was a normal zebra in every way. She had 4 legs, 2 ears, 1 nose, 1 mouth, 1 tail, and spots. All the other zebras, even her mother, father, and brother, had stripes. Because Zink had spots, the other zebras wouldn't play with her. Because the other zebras had stripes, they thought Zink looked odd. One day, Fink said to Zink, "Why do you have spots? They're so weird." Zink said to Fink, "Why do you have stripes? They're so weird." Zink and Fink couldn't decide who was right. No one in the Liptus jungle seemed to have an answer. Finally, Zink and Fink went home to ask their parents. "Which one of us is weird?" they asked. "Neither of you," said their parents. "Whatever you are is what you are," said their mother. "We're all different," said their father. "Being different makes you special." Then everyone nuzzled, and Zink and Fink went out to play. The end. Boys and girls, we know better than Zink and Fink. We would never call anyone weird. We know that we use kind words to each other and that we're all friends. Today, in your packet, is a picture of a zebra and the letter Z. So you're going to color the zebra. You're going to practice writing the letter Z on the bottom. And letter Z makes a special sound. It's kind of a fun sound. It goes like this. Z, z, z. Can you say it with me 5 times? Z, 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 z. Very good. And you also have an envelope that says number train on it. You're going to look inside and you're going to see an engine, and then each of these cars has a number on them. So you're going to start with number 1 and put them in order all the way up to number 10. Can you count to number 10 with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. And can we say our Bible verse together? Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be dismayed. For the Lord your God is with you wherever you go. Have a good day, friends.